Hey again, good morning. Starting the hike now. Just show you around. So we're going to climb maybe an hour up to enter the park. And when we enter the park, the real climb starts. We need to climb for another, walk for another 6 hours. We got to the entrance. We're in the entrance of the park. Show you around. Yeah, just we pay the entrance here. That's the group. Bienvenido. Our from Austria, not Australia, Austria, and from the US.
Oh.
And they've been to Haifa, where I come from.
Haifa's a fantastic city.
And they had falafel and shawarma.
We miss it now.
All right, yeah, we're climbing still. Another few hours. Yeah, see you halfway. We'll do another video and link them all together. See you for now. Bye. Ciao. Hola. I think we made it halfway, probably. It's another rest station. Everything for sale in Guatemala, even in the middle of the hike. Cerveza, watermelon, everything for sale. They're all having a rest. That's our group. They're having their burritos. Okay, and she's vegetarian, I think, Senora. So they accommodate to everybody here. That's our Costa Rica. Yeah, bienvenido. Some of the groups still walking up. The Maquina from Brazil. Yeah, we're just having a rest here. I think it's halfway. It's easy now. Yeah, we'll see you.
For you.
The Maquina. My amigos.
My friend from Sal is a máquina.
Grazie.
Máquina in Portuguese.
Máquina. Okay, see you on the base camp. Bye. Hi, we made it. I think the third camp, another maybe 2 to go. I'll just show you around. We're right in the clouds now. Still have to climb to the top. I don't know how far to go, but I'm stuffed. It was very hard hike, very steep. Look at the vegetation here. Maybe rain will come soon. Another group made it strong. Yeah. Look, even the dog tired. Even the dog, muerte. If you need energy drink, you buy from here. Look at the guide. He's cooked, supposed to guide us, but he's sleeping. Okay, bye for now. Hi again, just show you the weather is changing now. Look at the cloud going up. Look at the clouds, it's getting cold. Getting very cold.
You got the head in the clouds.
Yeah.
My head is windy.
You're going like that? You're going to change?
No, I'm Canadian.
Oh, you're from Canada?
Yeah. Nothing can stop me.
I was in Canada, it was minus 40 in Ottawa.
Exactly. Yeah, we were in Montreal, it was minus 30
Ah.
last week.
Oh, well, Canadian, very used to this weather.
Yeah.
Ah, used to wear. Correct. My daughter lives in Canada, in Ottawa. Yeah. look at the clouds. The wind start to pick up. So we're going to walk in the cloud very soon. Alright, so show you around. Hi everyone, we made it to the entrance to the camp. We made it safe, all the group. We made it.
We only was in their cars, no one else.
Yeah, we all made it. Our friends, the German made it.
Yeah, exactly.
The Canadian made it. They're leading the group. The German made it. Austria, sorry. Austria. If you need to know the best schnitzel in Austria, you need to go to Vienna. Yes.
No, German. Austria.
Fuck that. And if you need the donuts, Polish donuts, here you go. Hi, we got the base camp. It's nothing luxury. Just have a look, guys. I show you. 5-star accommodation.
6 stars.
Just think about the homeless, they sleep.
Yeah. Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, good attitude.
For 3,700 meters.
Yeah, good. I'll show you inside. I'm going to show you inside. Before this, oh, look at this. Very nice, red mattress.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So that will be sleeping maybe only 5 hours. Yeah. Hopefully we'll have fire tonight.
Yeah, we will have a fire.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here. It'll be our own little fuego.
Yeah.
Our little volcan de fuego, personal.
We'll have a yarn, share the stories. Yeah, it'll be nice. Some more people. Hi everyone, I give you a view of the volcano. The cloud cleared up. Show you.
Guys, I apologize. I've just thrown everything in
Acatenango volcano, Ecuador. It's active volcano. Oh yeah, look at that. Blowing a bit more, but no lava or fire yet. You never know.
Maybe the water alone. Maybe the bed itself is just heavy as well. It does have a backboard, you know. What are the cameras?
Acatenango blowing up smoke. It was very tough hike, but we made it.
I'm a strong, independent woman.
There's another one on the other side, the Fuego. We're going to, around 4 o'clock in the morning, we're going to walk up to it, see the sunrise. So soon we'll go have a sleep. Yeah, hi everyone. That Agua volcano, just show you the sunset. It's our friend from Costa Rica. It's very cold. I got the gloves on. And look at the sunset. Beautiful. And Acatenango, stop blowing. Fuego. Sorry, it's a fuego. We're standing on
Acatenango.
Acatenango. Acatenango.
That's it.
Thank you. We're looking at the fuego. Sorry, guys. Went to sleep, looks like, but hopefully we'll wake up in a few hours. Wow, look at the sunset. It's freezing cold. I'm going to put my gloves on. It's getting cold now. Hi everyone, it's evening. We're just having a fire around here. I shall show you. Hola, ça va?
Ça va bien, toi?
Another ça va?
Hello.
Hola! Around the fire, I think I heard we're going to have marshmallows.
Oh, really?
I hope
But
so.
otra, inshallah.
Inshallah, marshmallow.
When they say inshallah, hasta mañana, maybe yes, maybe no. Our friend from
Canada.
no, but which part of Canada?
Montreal.
Montreal. She speak Arabic. MashaAllah. Shwaya. They're all coming here with the spaghetti to eat, to heat it up.
Italiano spaghetti.
Italiano? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Okay. Good night for now. Bye.
Leila Saida.
Ah, you heard? She said something.
Saida.
Layla Saida. That's mean have a good day, happy night. Yes, it's different, huh? Translation. She teach me Arabic.
What? Oh, it's me.
Hi again. I'll just show you inside up with more daylight now. Show you that volcano. It's not active. The clouds start to come, covering up all the mountains and the peak of the volcano. Alright, I'm going to put the camera away, start to work my way down. See you in the next video. Bye for now.